Happy Thursday, third grade. I hope you're getting used to this morning multiple choice challenge. This is our last one for this week and before spring break. So stay with me. Make sure you're adding your annotations as I add them. We're going to take a look at the first question on the top of our paper, which says, which sentence correctly states the natural resources used to make the item? So I'm thinking about our natural resources that we've learned about. We've learned about oil, we've learned about trees, and we've learned about rocks and minerals. On the side of my paper right here, I added the kinds of materials that can be made from those natural resources. As we go through our answer choices, I'm thinking about whether or not those natural resources are paired correctly with the things that they are able to make. So the first one, oil is used to make steel cans. I know that metal doesn't come from oil. So I know that that's not the right answer. Answer choice B says copper is used to make pennies. I know that that's true. I know that pennies are made of copper, and copper is a metal, which is a natural resource. I know that coal is not used to make plastic cups. Oil is used to make plastic cups. And I know that trees are not used to make refrigerators. So I know that that answer choice is not correct either. Moving on to our question below that one. Where is an animal with thick fur on its body most likely to be found? So I'm thinking that thick fur means that the animal is needing to try really hard to be warm. So I'm thinking that they probably live in a cold place or a place with a cold climate. So when I'm going through my answer choices, those are the things that I'm thinking about. I'm trying to find the answer choice that talks about a place that is cold. So my first answer choice says, in a place that is hot and dry. If an animal needs thick fur and lives in a place that's hot and dry, it's going to be really hot all the time. That's not a good answer. Answer choice B says in a place where there is a lot of rain. Rain doesn't really relate to having to be warm, so I know that's not a good answer either. Answer choice C says in a place that is covered with snow. I know that snow equals cold weather, so I think that's a good answer so far. Just to be sure, answer choice D says in a place where a river floods most of the year. That's similar to our answer choice about rain. Floods don't really matter in terms of keeping an animal warm. So we know that our best answer choice is answer choice C. Our last question for today is about plant parts. And I know that we did this a long time ago, but you guys are experts on it, so I'm sure you all got it right. The first thing that I do when I see a question about plant parts is that I label my parts. So I labeled all 4 of the plant parts here. We know because we're expert scientists that fruit is also part of a plant. It's just not included on this diagram. So I know that my plant part A is a flower. I know that plant part B is the leaves. Plant part C is the stem, and plant part D is the roots. Our question is asking us which part of the plant uses sunlight to make food. I translated all of the jobs of all of the parts to know which one is the best choice. I know that the roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. I know that the stem helps a plant stand up and sends water to the rest of the plant. And I know that flowers make seeds that make fruit, and the fruit protects the seed. So I know that's not the best answer choice either. So that makes the best answer choice answer B for part B, the leaves. I hope you guys all got all 3 of those questions right and rocked out on your multiple choice challenge for this whole week. I'm confident that you did. One more week until the leap after spring break. You guys are going to rock it out. Have an amazing rest of today and an amazing spring break.